this is how we started Monday Night Raw tonight.
My real name is Joe. And I've been living with leukemia for 11 years. And unfortunately, it's back. And because the leukemia is back, I cannot fulfill my role. I can't be that fighting champion. And I'm gonna have to relinquish the Universal Championship. But I want to make one thing clear, by no means is this a retirement speech. Because after I'm done whooping leukemia's ass once again, I'm coming back.